How the birds got their colors, from a Dreamtime story. In the beginning, all birds were black. One day a dove was trying to catch a grub. He didn't catch the grub. He landed on a sharp stick. The stick hurt his foot. He was very sick. He was dying. His friends came to see him. They wanted to help. They cried, "Help! Help!" The crow didn't come to help. The parrot cut open his foot with her beak. His foot burst open. The birds were covered in color from his foot. Some birds were red. Some birds were blue. Some birds were yellow. Some birds were green. All the birds who tried to help were now colored. The crow didn't try to help. The crow stayed black. That is the story of how the birds got their colors. The end.